Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix AutoHotKey error in FC26. So if you are getting this error, this software cannot be used at the same time as the game. Please make sure it's not running or restart your PC AutoHotKey. Then here follow the fixes. First fix is to close the AutoHotKey from Task Manager. So open Task Manager. Now look for AutoHotKey services running in the Task Manager. Then right click on the AutoHotKey and then click on End Task. And then you can launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to close other background services from Task Manager. If you find any services such as Logitech G Hub, Daemon Tools, REWASD, DS4 Windows, Right Vanguard, Corsair, Faceit anti-cheat services running in the Task Manager, then close all of them. Also close all the unnecessary third-party app running in the background, then launch the game and check. Fix 3. Disable virtual devices in Device Manager. Right click on Windows and select Device Manager. Now expand storage controllers. From here, disable Daemon Tools, DS4 Windows, REWASD, XVDD, SCSI and any other related apps mentioned earlier. Now expand Universal Bus Controllers. From here disable Daemon Tools, DS4 Windows, REWASD, XVDD, SCSI and any other related apps mentioned earlier. And then you can launch the game and check. Fix 4. Uninstall AutoHotKey from PC. In Windows search type Control Panel and open it. Then click on Uninstall a program and then find and uninstall AutoHotKey from your PC. Then you have to restart your computer once and then you can launch the game and check. So I hope by this way you can easily fix the AutoHotKey error in EA Sports FC26. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.